Go to the school.
Go to the learning. You found a prize!
Click on an item below to choose your prize and collect your 20 bonus tickets.
Congratulations!
Counting with desert friends. I live near the desert. My dad is a scientist who studies desert plants and animals. I am too young to go exploring with him, but he shows me pictures of the cactuses and insects and animals he sees on his trips. When my dad is away, I sometimes can't sleep, so he taught me a trick to help. He said I should count all the desert animals I can think of. If I count to 5 3 times in a row, I'll fall asleep. 1. There's one jackrabbit hopping down the desert trail. 2. This is a photo my dad took of 2 desert foxes, a mother and her pup. 3. These 3 prairie dogs look very curious. 4. Scorpions are scary creatures with painful stingers. My dad once found 4 of them in the sand. 5. One time, my dad showed me 5 red fire ants in a box. I've counted 5 different animals, but I'm still not very tired. It's time to count 5 more desert friends. 1. I imagine one desert bobcat prowling on a rocky hillside. 2. I also imagine 2 rattlesnakes that rattle and hiss. 3. I remember 3 tortoises snacking on some leafy vegetables my dad put in a bowl. 4. My dad once saw 4 desert mice scurry across the sand. 5. There are 5 fuzzy tarantulas crawling on a rock. Well, I'm a little more tired, but how am I supposed to fall asleep thinking about creepy crawly tarantulas? Here goes one more try. 1. I close my eyes and I can almost hear one great horned owl softly hooting in the night. 2. I can almost see 2 red-tailed hawks swooping through the sky. 3. I can almost see 3 bighorn sheep looking ready to doze off, just like me. 4. My eyes grow drowsy as 4 quail gently coo in my imagination. 5. I see 5 lizards just before I fall asleep. They're my favorite desert animal. My dad promised me he'd bring me back lizards from this trip to keep as pets. I fall asleep dreaming about them and about seeing my dad when I wake up. I also dream about the day, I hope soon, when I'll be old enough to explore the desert with my dad. The end.
Terrific! Click on the next activity.
Numbers. 3 cows.
Stay.
Continue to next activity. Continue.
Terrific! Click on the next activity.
Number painting 3. Purple, red, orange, brown, yellow, beige, green, blue. Done.
Great job! Click on the next activity.
Basics painting. 3 things that fly. 3 things that fly. Red, purple, orange, beige, blue, green, black and white, purple, orange, orange, brown, done.
You found a prize.
Click on an item below to choose your prize and collect your 20 bonus tickets.
Congratulations!